Ready? Here we go. Now, ready? Boat. Good, little one here. Well done. Little one to go over and forward. Go. Good, and forward. Go guys. Good, beautiful. Up on here. Big wave coming. Keep the pace, keep the pace. Keep the pace. And forward. Go guys. Awesome guys, awesome. No, you've come down too much. Come on, stay on top of it. Well done, better. Good guys, good. That's it. Good, now long and drive, long and drive. Good guys. Push. Right, we're just gonna give it a bit of a tickle with some boat speed. Go up this one close behind and get it going. Let's give it a tickle with some oar speed, ready, and go for 7. And into the bow. Into the bow, finish. Good, that was tough through there and you did well guys. Nice. Good, do it with length up on here. That's the way, they're coming. Push. There, right, we're 45 metres away. Keep it on. Good pressure. That's the way guys. Right, time to go, ready? And oar speed, think quick. Oar speed, there. Good, you're fit guys, yes, well done. Awesome increase. Beaut guys, beaut. Not far do we turn, bounce this one. Righto, going in hard now. Up we go, come on guys. Okay, 10 in. Get ready this one lads, and boy. Good, and go lads, go. Look for the first run. Ready, now. Over. Good boys, good. There's not much in it, come on guys. Now guys, now Davey. That's the way, squaring up now. Good, ready. And now tuna. Over mate, over tunes. Yes, keep going. More yet. It's going again, ready. Now boys, now Davey. Good, keep going. Come on, you can get it. Make it. Over, you're gonna get there. Keep going. Come back. Well done. Very nice. You right, Dave? Yeah, I'm good. Good boys. That was fucking awesome. Well done. Go mate, go! You right? Yep. Well done lads, well done. Alright, get our gear.